All right. Go to the left, sis. The arrow down again from Mari Carmina.
Opo.
Press again one more time.
So I'll press this one.
Can you refresh, sis?
Sorry?
Refresh.
Okay po.
Supposed to be, it will show here. And then the arrow down. There. And then go to the gear icon.
This one?
Yeah. So checking if we have a data sets already. And then go scroll down, go to data sources. The left. Data sources. Press this. Go up. Data sources. Click. And then data sets. Go to data sets. Data
Wala
set.
po.
One data source, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 data sets.
Ay, yeah. Naduling ako. Mahina na yung mata ko. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yung aking ano.
So we don't have data sets yet. So that's the one we're gonna do for our pixel. Now we're going back to all tools, which is the hamburger icon. That one, all tools.
All tools.
Event manager.
Oh,
You can see on the top too, top right.
here.
Yeah, click that one. You can use the connect data or you can use the connect data from the right too. So any of those. You can use you can press that one. You can press the web, the first one, and then next.
Oh, web. Next.
And then you're gonna put a data set. Make sure that you're gonna put pixel. Okay. So you can figure out if that one is your pixel 1, pixel 2.
So I'll just put down pixel or pixel 1.
You can put pixel 1 or maybe your name, pixel 1. Up to you as long as there's some pixel.
Yeah.
You can
I think
recognize.
that's
You
okay.
can put your name too if you want.
That's okay because
Okay.
I'm just
All right. And then create.
okay.
And then set up manually. Wait.
Set up
Up
manually
manually. Yeah.
and
Wait.
next. Oh,
Current one. Set up manually. Can you press the first one, sis?
API.
One of the ACOs. Okay, try the next.
Okay. Next, this one.
Oh, just try the setup manually.
Oh,
It's okay.
I can go back.
Yeah, back. It's different again. Before we have to press the connect manually, but now it's different. So maybe that one, just go to the next. We'll see what's going
Okay.
on. Okay, and then metapixel. And then next. And then finish. Okay. Now we can go back to the business settings, which is the gear icon again. Yep, that one. We'll see if the pixel is there. And then go to data source again. And data sets.
Data sets.
There you go.
Oh,
So it
so I
works,
already
right?
have.
Now,
Yes, thank you.
and then you can copy the Pixel 1 ID number. So we can go to your DT.
Okay. And then
Go to your NAC or DT. And then funnel update request. And then request funnel update. And then you can go to the left, right. What would you like to update on your funnel? Press the select. Pixel dash tags, number 3. Yeah.
number 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if it is a first pixel, it's free. But for the second pixel, you have to pay $6. But for you, this is the first one, so it's free.
Okay.
So you can press
Click
that
one.
one. Yeah. And then go back to the left, the big box there. Funnel change
Oops.
details.
Sorry po, ano po yun?
From the left sis, the big box below. Funnel change details. The family. Below. Yep,
Okay.
that one in the box. You wanna scroll up so you can see.
Yeah.
And
Don't
then
have
you can
the
put the date and time.
day. Today is January.
Okay. See? February.
Sorry. Oh my.
2025. And then the time. 9:40. Just put 9:40. It's fine.
Is it here in Vancouver? It's
Oh
6
yeah, your time.
39 po.
Your time.
Asan na yung ano? Hindi ko na makita. Hmm. 39 p.m. Then, submit po.
Then no. Enter. Go down. Press enter. Yeah, and then just put dear officer or their DT. What do you want to put? Just put their DT
DT.
or their officer na lang.
The officer.
Yeah, dear officer.
Oh, sorry.
Dear officer. And then quit. And then sa baba niya, please attach my pixel ID. Please attach my pixel ID on my funnel.
Ano na lang, hi DT na lang ilagay ninyo with the officer.
Hi DT. Yun na lang daw, hi DT.
Tingnan mo yung pangalan ng funnel, ano mo yan? Funnel builder mo, meron dyan pangalan.
Hello DT, mga ganun lang. Hello DT, ganun lang. Or hello, ganun lang. Hindi nyo na kailangan lagyan ng officer.
Ayan.
So, hello DT.
Hello, hi. Yan. Yan, please attach my pixel ID on my funnel. Tapos, sa baba niya may pixel ID, tapos number. pixel ID number. Tapos, i-paste mo dyan yung kinapi mo. Yep, that's it. And enter down. Just say thank you. And then your initial.
Thank you. Initial.
Initial.
Ganyan na lang po.
Yep.
Or
Yeah, it's okay. And
Yeah.
then submit. There we go. So, and then you can scroll down. You can go back here and check this funnel update communication sys. Just keep checking all the time.
Okay po.
Problem or something, just go back there to check. Okay?
Okay po.
Okay, so the next one we're gonna go to Metapixel Helper. So we're gonna search the Metapixel Helper. We're almost there. Here says in the plus on the top.
Ay, dito po.
Yes. Make sure you're in the Chrome, okay? Is this a Chrome?
Yeah, opo.
Okay, Metapixel Helper.
Okay, I'm done with this.
Click that one. And then, yeah, click that one too, the first one.
The first one here. Web store. Or the second one?
The first one sis, yung pinakataas, Metapixel Hub. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can press
But I
the
drank my milk first.
add Chrome.
I wanted hot chocolate.
Scroll up kasi.
Ay.
Go up. Oh, down. I-down mo. Down. You can add the Chrome. More all the way.
Mula na po.
Wala na? Hindi,
Yeah.
meron
Taas
yan.
ka sis, nakita ko yung add to Chrome. Taas ka,
All the
extension.
way.
Yeah. Yeah, yun.
Add to Chrome. Click that one. Add extension. Maybe there. Okay, you're good na. Yep, that's good. So now we are going back to your business page again.
Okay.
Ano yung topic mga sis? Metapixel?
Yes, yes.
Helper.
Now we're going back to data source again. We're going to assign data source, data sets,
Data.
data sets.
Dito na pala. Dito na. It's in here po. I'll just refresh it. Kasi parang
nawala. That's the old one, I think.
Yeah, that's the old one.
Gumagawa kayo ng ad?
Hindi sis, nagpipixel si Ate Maricar.
Okay.
There you go. Data source. Hello.
Naka-record ito, no?
Yes, sis.
Yeah. Ano na lang. Watch na lang. Rewind ko na lang mamaya.
Data sets. And
Data sets.
click one more time, sis.
Okay lang po. Naklik ko na siya.
Okay, go back to business settings. Connect assets. Nawawala siya. It's different from... Okay, go back to data source again, sis.
Opo. Here and then data sets.
Yeah. So we can connect. There you go. And then
Yeah.
connect assets.
Connect assets.
Mhm. Other business asset. Connect
Ano nga ako dito?
and business asset. Oh, you want to connect.
What do you want to connect?
Ba't walang lumalabas? Do you have ad account already, sis? I think you don't have yet because it will ask the ad account. Can
Paano
you,
niya niraran yung likes
I
campaign
know,
niya, sis, na walang ano, ad
ad
account?
account,
Iba
yeah,
doon ka mag-ano.
yeah. Can
Yeah,
you,
I'm not yeah.
So sis,
Nakapag
kung yung nag-run ka ng ads, how did you run your ads? How did you run your likes campaign?
I did it with the training po. I followed the training.
I bet you she uses the personal page, sis.
I think
Kasi
so.
you
Yung
can have
personal
the
Facebook
may
mo.
kasi 'di ba sa impersonal kasi it's automatic, meron kang ad account doon, 'di ba?
Yeah. Maybe you didn't use your business page.
Yeah, maybe. But the likes, it appears on my business page. The likes and the comments there.
Okay. We can check, sis. You want to cancel this one?
Okay po.
Cancel and then scroll, wait, go up, sis. We can see the ad account there. All the way up.
Pakitingnan din baka nasa
Ayun. Click the ad account, sis.
Ad accounts.
Ah.
Nope.
Nope, you don't have yet, sis.
So
So we
that's
have to
my
create, yeah.
check mo nga yung profile mo sa taas kung yan yung business page mo or your personal Facebook yan. Yung nasa taas, yung picture mo sa right upper corner.
Can you click, sis?
that's my personal profile.
So, kailangan piliin mo si business page mo para makita mo yung ginawa nyo kanina.
So we're actually making her business portfolio, Sis JD, I think on her personal account.
Oh, can you access?
Yes, yes.
Can you go to your personal Facebook?
Current profile. Ba't ayaw? Wait. Dito na lang po.
Okay. So that's your personal, right?
Yeah, yung Hakang. Yung Mina po yung business.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the personal. We'll see the ad account or in the Meta Business Suite.
For this one.
You wanna press the Seymour, sis?
Po.
Wala.
This here.
Can you check that one, sis? Because you cannot run a like campaign in your business page without ads account.
Yeah, baka doon siya sa ano, sa personal page
So
niya.
it goes back to my business page.
So ito yung business page mo?
Yeah, that's the business page.
Ito yung names ng business page.
Okay. I-click mo yan, sis.
Click the arrow down.
Ayun na naman.
That's the one we create.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
where
So
are we?
go to your Marker J Mina, yung sa settings mo.
Here
Balik
icon.
ka dyan. Yung main, yeah.
Ito po.
Balik ka sa ni Sis JD kanina. Tapos i-close natin, i-check natin yung personal account mo dun sa ad account mo later.
Try to
para
create
ma-off
ad
yung
account, sis.
Saan po?
Ad account.
Dito?
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. Then add. and then create,
Yeah.
and then you can fill up that one.
My business page name.
Make sure it's different again, okay? So
Lagyan mo ng number, sis, para alam mo that's your ad account. It's not the Pixel account name. You can put like, yeah, yeah, because you put Pixel 1 on your Pixel anyway. So
and then go select the time zone, your time zone, sis.
Okay, sinulat ko lang po yung
so that way you know what's your ad account name later on pag mag-run.
Wala kasi akong, ano ba to? Ayaw magbaba. Saan? Ito ko hanapin. Nawawala siya. Pacific.
America, kanyata sa atin, America. Sa amin, Toronto, America, Toronto. Sa inyo is
Vancouver, ano yan sa kanila eh.
Vancouver yata sa inyo.
Oo. Merong nakalagay Vancouver. America din yata.
All the way down. Yeah, almost there. Actually, I think nasa tuktok yun. Sige, all the way, tingnan lang natin.
Yeah. Saan na yan? America?
Yeah, it starts with America dash. Hindi yan sis. It says America dash Vancouver. Try to go down.
Ayaw kasing ima-arrow down dito. Kailangan mong hanapin yung ano niya dito sa gilid.
Gray, the gray color.
Yeah, where are you? Lumalabas.
You wanna type sis instead? Or you can
Sige po.
in the
Ano
box?
po yung
No? Oh, there. Almost there. America.
America White Horse.
Edmonton, Vancouver. There you go.
Saan ka ba, sis?
Ito po, meron na po. Vancouver.
Sa Vancouver ka?
Opo.
Maricar?
Yes po.
Oh, Ate Lisa, ako dito. Malapit din sa Vancouver. Dito lang. Vancouver din.
Burnaby. Burnaby po kami.
Oh my God, sister. Sige, we will get together mo. Connect tayo.
And then next is
Hindi,
US
sa ano ka
dollars?
pa, Canadian, yeah. I-check, i-ano mo muna yan.
Time and then currency. Sinusulat ko mga sis yung ginagawa nyo para.
Hindi ma-type. So, I
on
have
the top sis, scroll up
down.
mo din. Scroll up.
Scroll up na ko, Canadian.
Nawawala yung sa gilid.
Tap mo na lang.
There. There. Enter. And then
And next.
And then next.
my business. Next.
Business, okay.
Then click the agree. I agree in the box. Create ad account. And then
And
done.
done. Yay!
That's it.
Ay, kahit walang add payment info?
Yeah, it's okay lang. She's not gonna run yet.
Okay, okay.
And then connect assets from the right.
O connect asset ulit.
Can you try to refresh sis?
Okay po.
Refresh. So we can add that one in there. Then connect assets.
Assets. Oh, same thing.
Ayaw niya.
Okay, ano mo muna, ano na siya dun, assign people na siya dun, sis? Naka full control
Ayan.
naman siya.
Yeah,
No,
it's Mari
nothing.
Carmina. That's
Mm-mm.
her.
Okay. What about dun sa ad mo? Punta nga muna dun sa ad, sis, yung may plus doon on your right side.
Okay po.
Okay, just try that for a second.
Oh, she already
Okay,
created.
wala. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Just close that one.
So we can add your ad account supposed to be
Connected as.
going.
Why is one person is on this account? One is saying, bakit kaya yung ano niya?
Can you try the connected asset, sis? Below
po.
no, below,
Dito, yeah.
yeah, that one. Connected assets. What's below? Connect.
You don't have any.
Can you connect assets? Can you
Connect
try?
asset mo. Okay.
Cancel ulit. We're in the last part na. So we can add your ad account. Okay, can you go to add account ulit, sis?
Okay po.
And then assign people.
Ano ko?
Press ulit. One time.
Ayaw.
You wanna try to refresh again one more time?
Fresh. Yes.
We're almost there. This is the last one.
And then the browser takes it so long.
It's okay.
So,
There. Assign
Okay.
people.
Assign people. This one says?
Yeah, click mo. Yeah.
Okay.
Ayun na. Yeah.
Maricar already assigned.
Yeah, you can just select all, sis.
All, select all.
Yeah.
One more
And then
all
full
control.
control mo siya. Yeah. There you go.
Assign people.
Yeah. Ayun na.
Okay. 2 people were assigned.
Yeah. Idan mo na lang.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you try the
Very
connect
good.
assets, please?
Okay po.
We need that one. You can connect your ad account.
Refresh again. Now we'll try this one more.
Assets again. No, it's not going.
Same thing.
Can you go to your all tools again, sis?
Okay po.
Tools. And then ads manager. Okay. Ads manager.
Ads manager.
You can check your campaign on the top.
This one.
Not yet. Still loading, sis.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Can you press the campaign, sis? The arrow down, the Maricar Mina with the Mina one, and then the arrow down on the top. Yeah. That's the one. See more ad account. Okay, press.
This one.
Yeah, press that one with the Maricar Mina one. Now you're in
Yes.
already. Yeah. So if you create like campaign, this is where you go in the create. Like when you run ads,
Yes, sis.
this is where you go. Yeah.
Yeah. This is what I use. Yeah, my
Oh, so that's your personal, sis.
Yeah, that's her personal. You run it your personal.
Your
Buti hindi siya
personal.
na-restrict.
Yeah.
yeah.
So you run.
Kailangan niya mag-run ulit.
Yeah.
Yeah, opo,
Yes, I will.
mag-season siya. I-off mo muna itong ano sis. You need to turn this off and delete your likes campaign. I-click mo muna tong sa personal mo na account. Sandali.
Delete na natin ngayon.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Maricar.
Ay, nasaan
Okay.
na?
a row of cabinets and a grab sees that the one door is open and that's all these medical supplies are just flipped open. Just flipped open and just left. We walk in the bathroom, we see a box. And it looked like a knife box on the bathroom bed. And the laundry room downstairs, there was a little smudge.
Yeah, that's my personal.
Okay, I would just delete mo ano sis.
Check the box.
Nag iikot-ikot pa sis.
Okay.
Or
The internet.
check it box.
Yeah.
Mahinang
Yeah,
internet. Slow
It's
connection.
okay, marami kasing browser naka-open so maybe that's why also. That's okay.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-mm. It's okay. Next time.
Maybe I'll close my email there. And
Mark handed his notes off to Ron Phillips. I saw Phillips
uh,
and my notes.
of course, no.
Van Adder opened up his binder.
Yeah, no minutes,
Closed his binder.
And then you press the
And then yung trash can sis, yung delete doon sa taas, katabi ng edit.
Right there.
that one.
Yeah, delete mo siya.
Firm says that, makes it so, right? We believe everything a Mark Furman says. Who wouldn't lie, money?
Yeah, delete mo na. Perfect.
Chicago and returned in Monday after being contacted by police at a Chicago hotel. Robert and I are kind of searching the
Okay.
office.
And then you can go back to Maricar.
So always remember sis na yung ginawa ni Sis JD na ano mo, doon mo make sure you always have to see more ad account. Okay? Para
Yes.
yan yung kailangan mo. Diyan mo i-run yung likes campaign mo ulit.
Make sure you can run
Yes
there.
po.
In the
Sa
main-
YouTube ba yan, sis? O sa Facebook?
Facebook lang tayo, sis.
Okay.
Where Mr. Simpson was. That's where you take the name. So I explained the reason I was there, what was happening.
So you're standing in the front yard on the grass and Van Adder asked me to go out there and do it. But I walked.
I'm just curious, sis, kasi when I did the first likes,
Mhm.
it appeared on my business page, and all the likes and comments went in there, not on my personal.
Maybe you use your business page, sis. Pero naka-connect mo doon sa ano ba yun?
Yeah,
Sa personal mo.
personal.
Parang
Yeah.
ganun. Pero
Kasi
lucky
yung personal
you,
natin kasi, yeah, it's always connected, di ba? Yung personal natin, it connected to our, yung business page. Kaya kahit dito ka nag-ano ng likes campaign, it always connect to your business suite. So yung business suite natin, di ba, sa business page yun. Tapos pag mag-run tayo ng advertising, it always connect to the business suite. Kahit dito ka sa personal nag-run, dun pa rin sila magme-message sa ano mo.
Yeah.
Sa business
So lucky
sa
you,
business
he
page.
didn't
Mm-mm.
restrict you.
Mm.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Good girl.
Yeah, buti hindi ka na-restrict.
Wala. I ran the ads for like 7 days.
Mhm.
Then I
Oh.
turned it off after
Oh, okay
after
pa.
1 week.
So
Ako nga
dito ka sa
na-restrict eh.
Marie Carmina. You need
Yes,
to,
po.
Yeah.
Pero now I learned how to do the ad account.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's good.
So
Now
I'll try.
we can check again your your data source ulit, ate. So we have to go to the gear icon from the left.
Data,
Things.
setting.
Yeah. Business setting. Hopefully it's there na. So we can add.
Panoorin ko itong reply nito.
And then data sources again.
Si Maria ba yan nagsasalita?
No, sis.
Data sets.
Yep, data sets.
Data sets, okay.
Then connect.
Connect assets.
Connect asset.
Can you X again, sis? X. So one person assign again. Can you press the assign people again? How come one person only? Marie Carmina. Okay, can you click the Marie Carmina only, sis?
Okay po.
Then full control. And then assign people. And then done.
Then
And then connect assets. Ah,
refresh. Mm. I-refresh ko ulit po. Okay.
wala talaga. Hindi siya lumalabas. Pero meron naman. Can you try to press the three dots, ate, on the right? Yung katabi, yeah. Can you check? Can you press that one? Open event. Can you open that one? We're in the last part na. Because if you run some ads, it will connected to your ad account. So you can gather the algorithm from there. So you have one here. Can you scroll down again, sis?
Right here po.
Up on the right. Yeah, scroll down. Set up Metapixel. Can you try? We already did that one. Set up Metapixel. Can you press that one again, sis?
This one, sis?
So code manually. No, we did already. X mo na lang, sis.
Ito po.
Yeah, we have Pixel now, but we cannot connect your ad account to the Pixel. I don't know what to do with that. Maybe we can wait until they're gonna approve your Pixel for now, and then we can fix later.
Yeah, mas mabuti pa. I think that's a better option,
Yeah.
sis, kasi
Yeah. We'll see,
because
and then
there's
yeah,
Somebody you went to.
you can see your Pixel working if your thank you page. Do you wanna try to you cannot. Okay,
Open the
I'm gonna stop participant sharing. So you have to always go. I will share my screen, okay? So you can see your thank you page if it is working, if you can see this one. Here, you see this one, it says Metapixel Helper. If you see the number 2, it means your pixel is working.
Okay.
So you can see the lead and page view. So that's how you figure out that your pixel is working. That's it. So if you, by the way, this is the example for the 20 minutes webinar, this one. It's not a 90 minutes anymore. I update it. 21 minutes only.
Yun yung ginagamit nyo?
Ate?
Yan yung ginagamit ninyo, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
20 minutes na. It's $30 yung cost niya po, Canadian.
Oh.
So it's
Mm-mm.
good. See, you can see everything like 1 minute, 2
Yeah,
minutes.
mga testimonials. Mas maganda kasi yung iba, ay 90 minutes, wala.
Yeah.
Saan na nga kami pupunta pag change?
Panel
Sa
update
DT.
request.
Yeah, sa DT. Tapos yung parang yung recorded webinar, kailangan kasi dalawa yun eh, yung live. Mas maganda na kasi yung pre-recorded para hindi sila pupunta every Tuesday or Thursday. Maano na lang siya. Pre-recorded siya.
So,
Paano
mga sis,
natin-
yung $30 one-time pay na yun?
Right. Yeah, one time.
Yeah. It's about $20 US, pero everything with taxes and all that, it's like $30 for us kasi dalawa, di ba, yung taxes sa Ontario.
Yeah, it's good.
Baka sa ibang
Better.
province.
Yeah. At least for life mo na siyang
Can
meron
you
na.
show them, JD, how to request that one?
Okay. So we have to go to your NAC. Sign in. Just go to funnel, update request, and press the request funnel again. And just go to what would you like to update on your funnel, and then press this one, the first one.
Oh, the first one.
And then just go to the
Yeah,
box that say,
recorded replay.
hello, DT, can you please update my 90 minutes webinar to 20 minutes? That's it. And thank you and submit.
Mm-mm.
I think, mas maganda yan.
Thank you,
Oo.
sis, for sharing that one.
Actually, yung mga busy.
Ah?
Kasi pag 20 minutes, they can watch right away.
Yeah.
Iba, sabihin nila sa day off ko na. Kasi 90
Yeah.
minutes.
It's 90 minutes, 1 hour na mahigit.
Pero kung bakit tayo nag-e-echo? Pero kung yung initial na pinindot mo is yung recorded, yan na yun, di ba?
Yeah, it's recorded. Yeah, this is the one. Because this is the one I use. So if you want
Yeah, it's all recorded ate.
here.
Yeah.
It's
So, kasi last night, di ba, finalize namin yung kay, ang pinindot namin is yung recorded na webinar. So, yan na yun.
yeah.
Okay.
This is my pixel for my YouTube. I pay a lot.
Pixel.
Yeah, pixel YouTube. Keep trying until, successful.
Oh, may bayad.
Yeah. $6 US, but in Canada
Yeah.
it's $6.
$5, yeah.
Yeah. So this is the one I use. Promote recorded replay. So this is the one it says completed. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yung pixel, hindi ko nga sure kung nagawa ko yan eh. Kalimutan ko na.
This is Facebook ate.
Oo,
Yeah.
yeah.
Different if it is YouTube too.
YouTube, meron din.
Yeah, it's different pixel.
Okay.
You have to set
Oh,
up
so you
Google
can
Ads.
see in the funnel update request, yung mga ni-request mo na pixel.
You can see here too. Any kind of pixel, it's all here.
Oh,
Pixel for
tingnan ko nga
YouTube,
rin yun.
pixel for Facebook, everything is here. Yeah.
Okay. Ano bang what does Pixel does anyways?
To
For,
gather algorithm.
oh, mhm.
Sis JD, pag wala kang PayPal, paano babayaran?
They will send you the link, sis, to your
Oh,
Yeah, you
email.
can either card and or debit card, ano be,
oh, okay.
yeah.
Pwede pala siya. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, pwede. Hanapin mo lang si Terry. Suki namin yun ni Sis
Suki.
JD.
Yeah, always
Filipino ba?
Terry. Look, always Terry.
Okay.
Always look for
Thank you.
Terry. He's
Oh yeah,
amazing.
there's
Always
a lot.
Terry.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
you don't have
it.
to.
Yeah, we have to figure out for you, sis Maricar. Maybe we have to wait later, and then we can go back again to your data source. So we can put your we can assign your ad account to the Pixel because you have to. Yeah, you have to connect that one so you can gather a lot of algorithm from your likes campaign or message or you whatever.
We can try to connect next week.
Yeah.
I think
Maybe
you can check
tomorrow
your
you can
email
check.
now. Kasi nagre-reply naman sila kaagad.
Yeah. You can
Yeah.
check later or you always go back sis Maricar all the time in your data source. At least
Yes.
Yeah.
keep checking.
Yeah, and then I'll update you guys, Surgery Makers, if
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
went through. Yeah.
Make sure it will show the Maricar Mina 1. And then you can check the box and then add and then assign, that's it.
Okay po.
Then you're done with your
You
Pixel.
can din sis Maricar, i-ready mo na yung pang likes campaign mo. So we can
Oh yes po. Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna do that this week.
para makita rin ng iba how
Likes campaign, yeah, video or
Likes campaign, like a video, sis.
Ay, video?
video or post lang, di ba?
Like let's say you gathered a pictures and connect together to make it video.
Okay. Just to like, pero don't mention about business, right?
Like maybe snow, all kind of snow,
Mm-hmm.
different places, flowers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, mag-picture na tayo, guys.
Teka, camera ko muna.
Sana tayo.
Mhm.
Magpapita na kayo.
Okay.
Ganda ni sis. Ay.
Ilang siya? Ilang
Let me
Picture na, dali.
remove pin. Let me pin.
Smile. Ang ganda.
Gonna go to my second page. Second page. Second page.
Mhm.
There you go.
Smile. Ang dami pala natin.
Yes, yes.
Mhm.
So this one says you're from Sis Maria, right? Sis Flor
Delays.